at a Gateway 2000, manufacture date September of 1997. Thumb screws off. You can see the case is fairly beat up here, pretty dirty. Inside are kind of some of the components. The faceplate here has a couple broken tabs. This case has definitely seen better days. Risers here are out of sorts. Those out of here. We have a Panasonic floppy drive. Looks like this one's in good shape. Everything seems to be working. Faceplate, of course, is gone. And we've got a 97 CD drive. Looks like it's got the audio adjustment knob on it, the headphone jack, so it does have the digital and analog outputs for audio, IDE slots, and of course the standard power input. Looks like we got a aluminum filler plate. Inside here, looks like we've got some Celestica SD RAM, 32 meg. Looks like we got 2 of those sticks. And some mismatching RAM in here, which looks like 64 meg stick of SD RAM, PC100. So older stuff, to be sure. Cards, we've got a discrete video card here, a DH Savage 4. We've got a Diamond. This looks to be this is a 56K modem, I think. 99 make, so it's newer than the computer. And a discrete audio card, Creative Labs. Let's see, Creative Labs, it is a model ES1371. Not sure if that's a real great audio card, but we'll take a look at that. And then our little processor, this is a very small little board. Looks like we've got... Okay, this one's on here pretty good, so this one definitely got ran a little bit. Go ahead and take our magical putty knife and just see if we can split this processor off. And let's see what kind of processor we're looking at here. Older unit, AMD. And this is a socket 7. Hey, there we go. We've got an AMD K6, 2nd gen. The thermal grease on here is real dry. Looks like this one is a 350, made for Windows 95. So or Windows 98 maybe? Nope, Windows NT and Windows 95. So yeah, we got a 350 megahertz AMD K6. So with that, not sure if this board works, but we might have to try and fire it up in the future and see if we can get a system running on this.